ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तमा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
ऐवन्
ऐहुन्
ऋलुक् एओङ्
एवोङ्
ऐ औच्
ऐऔच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लण्
लण्
ञामाङाण्डनम्
ञामाङाण्डनम्
जभै
जभै
घढदश्
घढदश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खफ छठथ चटतौ
खफचटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
सशसर्
हल्
हल्
अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां
इषु यशानां तालु
तालुः
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋटुरषाणां तालुधा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपध्मानीयानां
ञामाङाण्डनानां नासिका च एदैतो गो कण्ठतालु
एतैतो कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तो गो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओतौ कण्ठौष्टम्
मकारस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
मकारस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरम्
रामानास्ति परायणं
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
ओ राम मामुद्धर
ओ राम मामुद्धर
भवति भवतः भवन्ति
भवतः भवन्ति
भवसि भवतः भवथ
भवसि भवतः
भवामि भवावः भवामः
भवामि भवामः
करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति
करोति कुर्वन्ति
करोषि कुरुतः कुरुथ
करोषि कुरुतः
करोमि कुर्वः कुर्मः
करोमि कुर्वः कुर्मः
अस्ति स्तः सन्ति
अस्ति सन्ति
असि स्तः स्थ स्वः स्मः
अस्मि स्मः
These three forms, present tense forms for the three verbs. अकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः
अकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः
रामः रामो रामाः
रामः रामो रामाः
रामं रामो रामान्
रामं रामो रामान्
रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः
रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः
रामाय रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
रामाय रामाभ्यां
रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
रामात् रामाभ्यां
रामस्य रामयोः रामाणाम्
रामस्य रामयोः रामाणाम्
रामे रामयोः रामेषु
रामे रामयोः रामेषु
हे राम हे रामो हे रामाः
हे रामो रामाः
Do you know this Shabda Bhayat?
Yes, Guruji.
Good. Simple to memorize. this should be memorized. If not, if you have not memorized, please memorize the complete Rama Shabda.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
Dvivachanam, it is simple. There are many repetitions you can see. Ramau, it is repeated Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam as well as Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Ramabhyam, it is the same form Tritiya, Chaturthi and Panchami. And Ramebhyaha Bhagavachanam. Chaturthi Bhagavachanam, Panchami Bhagavachanam. Ramayoho, if you see, Dvivachanam in Shashti and Saptami. In Pratama, in Ekavachanam, if you take of all the Vibhaktis, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramena, Ramaya, Ramat, Ramasya, Rame. This is what we chant. Ramo Rajamani Sada Vijayate, Ramam Ramesham Bhaje, Ramena Bhigata Nishachara Chamohu. It covers all the singular forms of all the Vibhaktis. And Bhagavachanam, if you take Ramaha, Raman, Ramehi, Ramebhyaha repeated twice, then Ramanam, Rameshu. If you remember these forms, then the forms of pronouns, Tat Shabda, Yatat Shabda, Yat Shabda, Kim Shabda, those Shabdas will be easy. So I give 1 week time, so you memorize this Shabda. Those who have not memorized, important. So Shashti Vibhakti, if you see, Ramasya, Pratama Vibhakti, we know. Pratama Vibhakti denotes the agent, the subject, the doer of a kriya in a sentence. A sentence has or must have an action, a kriya, a verb. The kriya must be performed by a subject, a karta, a doer. And that will be in Pratama Vibhakti. Ramaha Patati, Rama reads. The Patana kriya done by Rama. Ramaha, or if it is Patataha, if 2 people are reading, then Chatrau Patataha, 2 students are reading. If many are reading, Chatraha Patanti. So, Karta in Pratama Vibhakti. That is what Pratama Vibhakti is. Dvitiya Vibhakti for karma, that we will see later. Tritiya and all, we will see later. Shashti Vibhakti, if you take Ramasya, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, that denotes the sambandha, the connection with the subject or object or anything in a sentence. For example, Ramasya Pustakam Asti. Asti, Kimasti, Pustakam Asti. Pustakam is a subject. Pustaka is Napumsakalinga. You can say Pustakam or you can say Pustika, Strilinga. Kim Asti, Pustakam Asti. Or Ka Asti, Pustika Asti. Bhagavad Gita Asti. Book. Pustakam Asti, if you take. Idam Pustakam Asti. This is a book. Now, whose book is that? Ramasya. Ramasya idam pustakam. This is Rama's book. This book belongs to Rama. Only one person, Rama. Suppose 2 persons are there. 2 Ramas or 2 students. Then you have to say Ramayogo. If many are there, Ramanam or Chatranam. Chatranam pustakani santi. Pustakani santi. Books are there. Pustakam, pustake, pustakani. Bhagavachanam. Santi. Kani santi, pustakani santi. Whose books are those? Here, the books of the students. Chatranam pustakani santi. That is the Shashti Vibhakti. We use this in many places. We have seen also before. Mama nama. My name, Mama Nama Sharanaha. My name is Sharanam. Mama is Shashti Bhakti. That is a different Shabda, Asmat Shabda. But Mama is Shashti. Similarly, Tava is your. Tava. Tava is your. Tava Nama. What is your name? Tava Nama. So Tava is your Shashti Vibhakti. So Mama, my, Tava, your. Or if it is Rama or somebody, then Ramasya, like that, it will be there. So that is Shashti Vibhakti. So if you know Rama Shabda, you know any, you can decline any Akaranta Shabda. Similarly, other Shabda we have to know. Ikaranta, Ukaranta. But Rama Shabda, important. Please memorize. Now we will continue. Last class we saw up to this, the translation. So we will continue. So here Shashti Vibhakti will be introduced. That is why I explained what is Shashti Vibhakti. Now, let us chant this. Ajanta Pullinga Shabda quickly. Only Pratama Vibhakti is there. Other Vibhaktis we will learn later. Rama Shabda, all the Vibhaktis we should know. Ayam Imau Ime.
Ayam
Imau ime.
Yeshaha Etau Yete.
Eshaha etau ete
Kahataute.
sahate
Kahakauke.
kahakauke
Then Ramaha Ramo Ramaha.
Ramaha Ramo Ramaha
Harihi Hari Harayaha.
Hari Hari Harayaha
Guru Guru Guravaha.
Guru
Guravaha.
Pita Pitarau Pitaraha.
Pita Pitaraha
Karta Kartarau Kartaraha. This is Pullinga, Pratama Vibhakti declension. Now Strilinga, Ajanta Strilinga. It means Shabdas ending with the vowel. That's called Ajanta Strilinga Shabda. Not only Ajanta, the proper nouns are Ajanta, whereas demonstrative pronouns are Haranta, ending with consonants. Iyam, Ime, Imaha. Esha, Yete, Yetaha.
Esha ete etaha
Tetaha.
Tetaha
Ka, Kekaha.
Kakeha
What is the Pratipadikam of Iyam?
Idam.
Esha,
Etat.
Sa,
Tad.
Rama, Rame, Ramaha.
Ramaha
Matihi, Mati, Matayaha.
Matihi
Matayaha.
Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha.
Nadyo Nadyaha
Dhenuhu, Dhenu, Dhenavaha.
Dhenu
Vadhuhu, Vadhvau, Vadhvaha. Mata, Matarau, Mataraha.
Mataraha
The Napumsakalinga, Idam, Ime, Imani.
Idam Imani
Etat, Ete, Etani.
Etani
Tat, Etani.
Etani
Kim, Kekani.
Kekani
Palam, Pale, Palani.
Palani.
Now you see Napumsakalinga Shabda, that also whole Shabda you can memorize. It is same as Rama Shabda with some little differences. Differences that too only the Pratama Vibhakti only. Let us chant. Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha Palashabdaha.
अकारन्तः नपुंसकः शब्दः
प्रथमा विभक्ति विनो फलं फले फलानि.
फलं फले फलानि
The same form for Dvitiya also. Phalam phale phalani.
फलं फले फलानि
Then Tritiya onwards you compare with Rama Shabda. Same. Phalena phalabhyam phalaihi.
फलेन फलाभ्यां फलैः
Phalaya phalabhyam phalebhyah.
फलाय फलाभ्यां फलेभ्यः
Phalat phalabhyam phalebhyah.
फलाभ्यां फलेभ्यः
This Chaturthi Vibhakti. Palasya palayoho palana.
फलस्य फलयोः फलानां
Pale palayoho paleshu.
फले फलयोः फलेषु
He phala. He phale. He phalani.
फलानि
That is the difference. Remaining in all, it is same. So, Sambodhana, He Rama, He Ramo, He Ramaha. That is like Prathama Vibhakti, Rama Shabda. Here it is Palam Pale Palani, Prathama Vibhakti. Sambodhana it is He Phala, He Pale, He Palani. Yesterday I sent you many documents. Some
Yes, sir.
Yes, Guru.
Yes, Guruji.
there some documents have the shabdas. You can take those shabdas and practice for Pullinga and the Srilinga, Napumsakalinga, etc. You can practice.
Yes, Guru. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
Taking Rama
Yes,
Shabda,
Guruji.
Pala Shabda as the model,
Guruji.
practice. I sent
Yes.
many documents. You can say, for example, this document, if you take what I sent. Balakaha, Ajaha, Gajaha, Shvaha, Rataha, all are Pullinga Shabda.
Yes,
Pick
Guru.
5 Shabda, you write it. Practice like that. The practice has to come. If they ask you what is the Panchame Vivakti Bhagavachanam of Balaka, you should be able to say immediately. Balakebhyaha. That's a practice. Rama is Ramebhyaha. Panchame Vivakti Bhagavachanam. Then Balaka is Balakebhyaha.
Yeah.
Similarly, if you take the word Gardava, the last one, 30th. Gardava means donkey. What is the Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam? You should be able to say immediately. Gardave. That is Rame Ramayoga.
Sir, what is the
No
meaning
Rama
of
Shabda.
Gardabaha?
Huh?
Gardabaha, what is the meaning of Gardabaha?
Donkey.
Donkey.
Donkey. Okay.
Then Srilinga we will see later. Don't worry about it now. Similarly, Napumsakalinga you see. Napumsakalinga, any Shabda you take, you should be able to say what Vibhakti, what Vachanam. So this is just a sample I am showing that many documents are there. You can
Yes.
take that as your.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Guru.
Okay, let us. Continue. Let us learn a few words for speaking. Mama. Mama is my. Just now I said Mama is I. It is Shashti Bhakti Ekavachanam of Asmad Shabda. That we will see later, Asmad Shabda. But Mama, you can know the meaning. Mama is my. Mama Nama, my name. Mama Pustakam, my book. Mama Acharyaha, my teacher. Mama Chatraha, my student. Mama Patihi, my husband. Mama Putraha, my son. Mama Putri, you can say Mama Similarly, tava, your. So mama, my, tava, your. Bhavataha, that is also your only. What is the difference between mama and this? This bhavataha and tava, both are your. Bhavataha is with respect. When you're talking or referring to the person who is elder in terms of the age or in terms of experience, or a honorable person like teacher, acharya, etc., then you have to address them. Bhavan, bhavataha iti. Bhavataha nama kim only can ask. You should not ask tava nama kim. You have to say bhavataha pustakam. This is your book. So with respect, bhavataha. Bhavataha is shashti vibhakti ekavachana. Pratipadikam is bhavat. That we will see later. So only shashti vibhakti forms of those shabdas you know. So bhavataha is pullinga. Bhavati is strilinga. And shashti vibhakti is bhavatyaha. So bhavataha nama kim. If I can ask a person, respect, bhavataha nama kim. What is your name? Or if it is a strilinga, bhavatyaha iti. Bhavatyaha nama kim. Then aham we know. Aham, avam, vayam. Aham is I. So understand the difference between aham and mama. Aham is I. Aham sharanaha. I am Sharan. Mama nama Sharanaha. My name is Sharan. Aham Chatraha. I am a student. Mama nama. That is different. So aham and mama. Aham is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Mama is Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Ramaha Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Ramasya Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Then Nama. Nama is name, which is Napumsakalinga. It is, don't decline like Pala Shabda. Not Namam Name Namani. That is wrong. Namam, the Pratipadikam itself is different. It is not Akaranta, it is Nakaranta. So don't worry about the declension. Just know the meaning. Nama is name. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. That much you know. Then word for yes is am. Am means yes. Bhavan Acharya Bhava am. Yes. Bhavati Chatrava. Are you a student? Yes. Or no? Na. The word, okay, here, na, these are not declinable. Indeclinables, they are called. Avyaya, like Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda, etc. Those Shabdas, like those Shabdas, these words are not declinable. Am is am only. Na is na. Similarly, va is or. Not only or, it has got other meaning also, we will see later. These are indeclinables, not declinable. Then tvam is you. Bhavataha, bhavatyaha are used for addressing the person respectfully. Those who deserve respect. Then you have to address them. Bhavan, bhavati, or bhavataha, bhavatyaha. Bhavan is pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. Bhavati is pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. Shashti vibhakti form is bhavataha, bhavatyaha. So demonstrative pronouns which we know already. Already we know the difference between yeshaha, saha and kaha. Just now we chanted yeshaha, yesha etat, saha satat, kaha ka kim. Now simple sentences you can see here. Sarala vakyani. Sarala means simple. Vakya is sentence. Vakya is akaranta shabda. Like a pala shabda. Vakyam, vakye, vakyani. Sarala vakyani, simple sentences. Sarala vakyani santi. simple sentences are there. Translate. Anuvadam kurva karotu. Mama nama Ramaha. You can see this where the Shashti Bhakti form of Asmat Shabda, that is Mama, is used. My name is Rama. Mama nama Ramaha. Where is the Kriya Padam? Not there. You can supply. Asti always it is there. If it is not there, you have supply Asti Bhavati. Because Ramaha is Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam, even though you are telling my name, but name, that name is Pratama Purusha only. Understand the difference what I am saying. Mama nama Ramaha Asti. My name is Rama.
Yes,
Ah-
Guruji.
Agam Ramaha, what will come? Agam Ramaha,
Asmi.
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 There it is, because Agam is Pratama, it is Uttama Purusha. So Agam Asmi, Agam Ramaha Asmi. So you can say your name, Agam Ramaha Asmi, or Mama Nama Ramaha Asti. Even though Asti is not there, it is understood. Similarly, Mama Nama Sita, my name is Sita. Mama Devi Jnaneshwari, my goddess is Jnaneshwari. Devi Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Nadi Shabdavat. Jnaneshwari also Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So Mama Devi Jnaneshwari Asti. Mama Devaha Shivaha, my Lord is Shiva. Mama is Shashti Bhakti Ekavachanam. Then Devaha and Shivaha Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam. So Mama Devaha Shivaha Asti. So Devaha Shivaha, they are all in, they both are in same Vibhakti. They are subjective complement. It's called in English subjective complement. They are the same Vibhakti, same Vachanam. Mama Pita Subramanya. Subramanya is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Pratipadikam Subramanya. Pita is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Pratipadikam Pitru. Mama Pita Subramanya. Mama Mata Mallika. Mama Putri Veena. Putri Srilinga, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Veena, name is Veena. Mama Putraha Parthaha. My son is Partha. Mama Bharta Neerajaha. Bharta is Bhartru Shabda. Bharta Bhartaro Bhartaraha. Bharta Bhartaro. That will be Bharta Bhartaro. So Neeraja is the name of the husband. Right? Then Mama Bharya, my wife. Mama, my wife Reshma. Bharya. Bharya is Akarantaha Strilingaha, like Rama Shabdavat. So therefore, Mama Bharya. Then the next one. Mama Sahodari Meera. Sahodari is Ikaranta Shabda Strilinga Meera. Meera is a name. Mama Mitram Murali Krishnaha. My friend is Murali Krishna. Mitram is Napumsakalinga. Mitra, the word is Napumsakalinga. So Murali Krishnaha is Pullinga. So therefore, Mitram, Mitre, Mitrani. Murali Krishnaha, Murali Krishnau, Murali Krishnaha. Okay, so there the gender need not you cannot match. You cannot, don't try to match. It will not match because Mitra is Napumsakalinga, and the name of the person is Murali Krishna that is Pullinga. So don't try to match. It will not match. So Mama Mitra is Napumsakalinga. It's okay. That's why I said subjective complement. If that is the case, even before that we saw the word, the sentence, the Mama Nama, that there itself we can see Nama is Napumsakalinga. Rama is name, Pullinga. Both are Pratama Vibhakti. So Nama is Napumsakalinga. Rama is Pullinga. How can they be same? No, that is subjective. That is called, I said, subjective complement. Okay. So Mama Mitram, Pratama Bhakti Ekvachanam Murali Krishna. This is not adjective. This is called subjective complement in English. If it is an adjective, then it has to be of same gender also. For subjective complement, it is not. Need not be. You understand the difference between subjective complement and adjective. In English itself, the difference is that the same thing in Sanskritam also. Rama is a hero. Suppose you say, Ramaha Veeraha Asti. Subjective complement. Rama is my friend. Ramaha Mama Mitram Asti. Mitram is Napumsakalinga. Rama is Pullinga. Subjective complement. Now, Uttamaha Ramaha Asti. There, Uttamaha Rama is the Rama who is great. There, Uttama is adjective. If it is Strilinga, Uttama Sita Asti. There, Uttama adjective to Sita. Because Sita is Strilinga, therefore Uttama, it has to be of same gender, same vibhakti, same vachanam. That is adjective. Understand the difference between adjective and subjective complement. Is it clear?
Yes.
So, because we are going to see later, it will come that adjective. Now, next one. Mama Bhagini Priya. My sister is Priya. Mama Patihi Ganeshaha. My Lord is Ganesha. Mama Vahanam Rishabhaha. This is also another example. Mama Vahanam, my vehicle. Vahanam Vahane Vahanani. Vahana is Napumsakalinga. Rishabha is Pullinga. Bhul. Subjective complement. Vahanam and Rishabha, between them, they have to be same vibhakti, same vachanam. Gender not required to be matched, because it cannot be. It's a subjective complement. Then Mama Ashirvadaha. Ashirvadaha is blessing, my blessings. Mama Deshaha, my country. Mama Deshaha Bharatam, subjective complement. My country is Bharata. Bharata is Napumsakalinga. Deshaha is Pullinga. Mama Parivaraha, my family. Mama Shishyaha, my teacher. Mama Acharyaha, sorry, my Shishyaha, my student. Mama Ashramaha, my ashrama. Mama Acharyaha, my teacher. Mama Guruhu, my teacher. Mama Namaskaraha, my salutations. Mama Namaskaraha. Mama Degaha, my body. Deha is Pullinga. Degaha, Deho, Deghaha, body. Another word for body is Shariram. Sharira is Napumsakalinga. Shariram, Sharire, Sharirani. Like Pala Shabda, you can decline. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam is Shariram. Mama Shariram, my body. Yeshaha Mama Upadeshaha. This is my instruction or advice. Yeshaha, this Mama, my Upadeshaha, advice. Okay, now you have seen the usage of Mama and Tava. You understand?
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Now, Prashna Vakyani. Simple Prashna Vakyani is, that is also like Napumsakalinga. Vakyam, Vakya, Vakyani. Prashna is question. So therefore, simple question. Now you have to answer. Each one of you will answer one. Umaji. Tavana Makim, you have to answer now.
Yes, Guruji. What is your name?
Just answer. You know the meaning. Just answer the question.
Prashna Vakyani.
You answer the question. Don't read. Tava nama kim.
Tava nama kim?
Don't read
What
the
is-
question, answer, only answer. Understand what I'm saying?
Okay. My name is Uma.
Tell in Sanskrit.
Mama nama Uma.
That's what I'm asking.
Okay. Okay.
Akanksha ji. Tava devaha kaha.
मम देवः गणेशः
That's Parul ji. Tava pita kaha. Parul ji, are you there? Okay.
Yes,
Anupama
yes,
ji.
yes, sir.
When you call your name,
Uh,
immediately see the mic and unmute it.
Yes, yes. Mama pitah Rajuha.
Mama pitaha rajaha. What is this?
Raju. My father's name is Raju.
What is pitaha?
Pita. Not sorry, Pitaha name. Pita only. Mama
Mama pita?
Pita
Hmm.
Raju. Raju.
Not Rajuha and all.
Rajaha.
Rajuhu. If you want to say
Rajuhu.
if it is who, it is not Rajuhu, it is Rajaha or whatever may be. Ukaranta is Rajuhu, Guruhu, not Rajuha and all. Still you have not learned how to pronounce Visarga at the end of the Ukara.
Yes, sir. Raju.
Rajuhu.
Shakaha.
Next person. Anupama ji. Tava Devi ka.
Mama Devi Saraswati.
Deepika ji. Tava Mata ka.
मम माता पूजा
Yajnapriya ji. Tava Putraha kaha.
पुत्रः नास्ति जी.
Very good. Mama Putra. You have to say Mama Putraha nasti.
Right.
Mama Putraha nasti. I don't have a son. My son is not there means what? I don't have a son.
Okay.
Mama Putraha nasti means my son not there. What is my son not there? I don't have a son. That is the meaning. When you
Right.
translate into English,
हाँ.
see, Mama Pustakam, my book. Mama Pustakam, Mama Abharanam, Mama Durab, Basha, Mama Jangama Vani, Mama Putraha, but Putra has to be there. Nasti you are saying. So when you do translation, Mama Putraha Nasti means my son not there. It means my son not here, he is somewhere else. No, that's not the meaning. That meaning also possible.
Oh.
That is not the meaning here. Mama Putraha Nasti means I don't have a son.
Okay.
Next person. Umaji. Tava Putri ka.
Mama putri Akansha.
Okay. Akanksha ji. Tava Bharta kaha.
मम भर्ता चिरागः
Parul ji. Tava Bharya ka. Is it-
Mama
Hmm.
Bharya Ramaha.
What? Who is your wife? I'm asking. And
No,
you are
no.
saying my wife is Ram.
No. Tava Mama Bharya Nita.
Huh?
Nita. Parul. Mama Bharya. My wife's name is Parul. My
How can you have your wife?
Huh? Tava Bharya ka.
I'm asking who
Who-
is your wife, and you're saying my wife name is so and so. How is it possible? Huh?
Who is your wife? So Mama Bharya.
You understand the
Yes,
basic
yes.
thing? How can
Tava
you say, when
Bharya.
I'm asking you who is your wife,
Huh?
you are a woman,
So-
how can you have a wife?
No.
Then what should be the question then? You have to tell the
What is
question
your
should not be
husband?
Bharya. You have to change it. You have to say,
What you have to say, sir? Tava Bharya ka. So na Bharya.
so the question itself wrong, ji. You have to ask Mama Patihi or Mama Bharta Kaha only you have to ask. That you have to say.
Uh-huh.
Don't tell immediately Mama Bharya that you are telling your name itself or somebody's name.
Yeah.
That is meaningless.
Mama, yeah. Mama Bharta kaha.
Who is your wife? I'm asking. You should say, Mama, the question is wrong. Mama Bharta Kaha is only applicable. Like Yajnapriya said, Mama Putraha Nasti.
Huh.
You say some other name. No. Son is not there. Not married, not son.
Yes, sir.
Think, okay. Bharya is wife.
Yeah, Bharya is wife. Bharta is
Husband is not Bharya. That is wrong. Don't think Bharya is Akaranta. Then therefore Rasva is husband. No. Husband, for husband is Patihi, the word is there, or Bharta is there. You can use. Even if I ask the question, Tava Bharya ka, you should say, Mama Bharta so and so, you can say. My husband is so and so. It means I understand that you are a woman, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Think and answer.
Yes,
Next
sir.
person. Anupamaji. Tava Swasa ka.
Swasa is what? Guruji?
Very good. You have to remember, we saw that Rikaranta Shabda. Swasra. Swasra means sister. Bhagini, Sahodari. Different names are there for sister. Tava Swasa. Rikaranta Shabda. Don't think it is Swasa is Akaranta.
Karanta.
Shabda. No. You have to note all these things. You have to write it. Swasra is a Shabda. So Tava Swasa ka. Who is your sister?
Mama Swasa Aparna.
Yes. Deepika ji. Tava Mitram Kim. Or Tava Mitram. Kaha Tava Mitram, not Kim. Tava
Mama Mitram Meera.
should be
Mitram.
Kaha or Ka. That is, I'm asking who is your friend means it's Pullinga. Anyway, you can tell Srilinga because then I understand. Tava Mitram is. Ka is, I assume that your friend is a woman, somebody. Female.
Yes.
Sorry, Kaha, when I say, I assume that your friend is someone male. But it is Ka. It's okay.
Okay.
Next one. Priyaji. Tava Bhagini Ka.
Mama Bhagini Nava Priyadarshini.
What's the name?
Nava Priyadarshini.
Nava Priyadarshini. Oh, Umaji. Tava Patihi Kaha.
Mama Patihi Subramanyah.
Akankshaji. Tava Vaganam Kim.
Mama
Vaganam Asti va?
Vahan sir.
Asti. Good. Vaganam Kim. Vaganam.
Car is called Vahanam only. No, sir?
Karayanam.
Karayanam. Mama Vahanam Karayanam.
Yes.
Tava Patni ka. So
I'm
your.
asking. Tava Patni Ka. Who is your? The same thing comes to you. You have to tell.
I know.
Hmm.
Tava Patni ka. Mama Bharta kaha.
Not, don't ask yourself, who is my husband?
Okay.
Mama Bharta, tell your name.
Mama-
Tava Bharta kaha you have to say. Okay.
Mama Bharta kaha.
Not
Mama
Mama
Bharta.
Bharta. I'm asking you, if I have to ask you, I have to ask Tava Bharta kaha. Then you have to tell Mama Bharta so and so. What's the name?
So Tava Patni ka, who is your wife? So I have to answer. You said no that you.
Mama Bharta, tell your name of your husband.
Mama Bharta Kashyapah.
That is how you have to say. Mama Bharta.
Kashyapa.
You said Raju something before?
Just my husband's name is Kashyap actually.
Then who is Raju?
I just said like
Something,
that.
some other name, huh?
Yeah, some other name I said.
Some other name, that also you say some properly, some other Akaranta. Then why you say Rajuha? If you say Rama itself, it's for Ramaha, it is Rajuha, that word, the pronunciation itself, Rajuha, Rajuhu, that's why I said Ukara is
Raju.
like Guru Shabda you have to say. Now,
Ish.
now next person, Umaji, Umaji, no, Anupamaji.
Aye.
Anupamaji. Vakyani likantur. Vakyani, write the sentences. See the example, the same way you have to write for each sentence. Let me read the example. Udaharanam. Yeshaha Arjunaha is there. This is Arjuna. Yeshaha na Arjunaha. This is not Arjuna. You are dismissing. Na is not Arjuna. Kim. Yeshaha Arjunaha. If you ask, if you put Kim at the beginning, Kim, and the tone has to change. You should not read Kim Yeshaha Arjunaha. No. Kim Yeshaha Arjunaha. Then only the questioning tone is there. Is he Arjuna? That's the meaning. Kim Yeshaha Arjunaha. Is he Arjuna? Yeshaha Arjunaha. Yes, he is Arjuna. The same way, you can read the next one.
एषः कृष्णः एषः न कृष्णः किम् एषः कृष्णः आम् एषः कृष्णः
Deepika ji.
सः रामः एषः न रामः
Saha only you can use. The same pronoun. Saha na Ramaha.
सः न रामः किं सः रामः आम् सः रामः
Yajnapriya ji.
एषा गीता
Isha.
सा न गीता
Vaisa. Yesha Gita. Yesha only is the use. Yesha only.
ओ सर जी சரியா கவனிக்கல ஏஷா கீதா ஏஷா ந கீதா கிம் ஏஷா கீதா ஆம் ஏஷா கீதா
Yes. Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. Sa Rama. Sa na Rama.
Sa na Rama. Sentence.
Sa, okay. Sa na Rama. Kim Esha Rama? Am Esha Rama.
Akanksha ji.
एतत् पुस्तकम् एतत् न पुस्तकम् किम् एतत् पुस्तकम् आम् एतत् पुस्तकम्
Parul ji. Parul ji. You have to unmute your mic.
Oh, sorry. Tat nakshatram. Tat na nakshatram. Kim tat nakshatram. Am tat nakshatram.
Yes, good. Anupama ji.
एषः भवतः शकटः
What does it mean?
this is your
Sure.
vahanam
Cart.
okay
Shakata is cart.
Cart. Shakat.
C-A-R-T, cart.
Cart.
That cart, that bullock cart,
Mhm.
ox cart, that C-A-R-T, cart. Flipkart is that you online, you order, put it in a cart. It's a physical cart.
Courier.
Yes. Bhavataha is your.
with respect your
This is your Shakata cart. Yes.
एषः भवतः शकटः एषः न भवतः शकटः एषः किम् एषः भवतः शकटः आम् एषः मम शकटः
You can put this words anywhere you like, the meaning will not change. Okay, where it will change, you will see. Generally, the meaning will not change. Eshaha, bhavataha, shakataha, na. Meaning will not change, same meaning. Na, eshaha, bhavataha, shakataha, same meaning. Eshaha, na, bhavataha, shakataha, same meaning. Eshaha, bhavataha, na, shakataha, same meaning. Meaning will never change. Okay, anyway you can say.
so Guruji the importance is in your or in the cart will it change depending
See,
on
bhavataha shakataha, that bhavataha shashti bhagati shakata is prathama bhakti. That sambandha, the connection is let that go together. Always. Okay. So that confusion can be avoided.
Yes,
Eshaha na bhavataha shakataha. That is correct what you said. Eshaha bhavataha shakataha na, you can say.
No.
Or na eshaha bhavataha shakataha. That also you can say. So remember this, the beginning itself is better to say this. The bhavataha is shashti vibhakti. Shakata is prathama vibhakti. The connection is what is the connection? The sambandha, the connection is the connection between the words. Okay. We are talking about the cart. Whose cart? It is associated, connected with you, right? Because sambandha is that is why shashti vibhakti is called sambandha shashti vibhakti. It represents the connection with the word in the sentence. So let that both of them go together. Don't introduce any word in between.
Okay.
So yeshaha bhavataha shakataha na. That would be better. So that Later we will see the kind of confusion can be avoided. Okay.
Guruji, I had a question.
Yes.
When we are using the word Kim, should it not be Kaha because Shakataha is
No,
pulling?
there Kim is good question. That Kim is, we're not asking Shakata is Pullinga, therefore Kim has to be Pullinga. No, that is a question. Kim, Eshaha, Bhavataha Shakataha. Is this your car? That is what the question is. Therefore, Kim there it is avyayam. All the sentences you are using only Kim. Nobody
Yes.
asked this question. It's good. Kim here it is indeclinable. Avyayam. Don't think Kim is only always like no Napumsakalinga Shabda. Kim ke kani.
Yes.
It is another Kim also is there. That is indeclinable. That is what here it is used.
Okay. Okay.
Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre. Samavetaha Yuyutsavaha. Mamakaha Pandavascheva. Kim Akurvata He Sanjaya. Kim is avyayam, indeclinable. Okay. Good question. Next one. Next person. Who's the next person? Who was the last person read this? Anupamaji, right? Next.
Nan.
Deepika.
Yes, yeah.
Deepika, next person.
Yes, Guruji. Esha bhavataha lekhani. Esha bhavataha lekhani na.
Yes.
Kim Esha Kim
Esha Bhavataha. It's correct.
Kim Esha bhavataha lekhani. Am Esha bhavataha lekhani.
Yes. Lekhani is
Pencil.
pencil. This is your pencil. Next person. Again, Priyaji.
Yes, Ji. Tat bhavataha palam.
No, that's not a question. This is a
Ah,
sentence.
right. Tat bhavataha palam. Tat bhavataha no, tat na bhavataha palam. Kim. Tat bhavataha palam. Am. Tat bhavataha palam.
Yes. Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. Yeshaha Bhavatyaha Chandraha. Can I put Bhavataha here, Swamiji? This is Chandraha is Pullinga.
So what it should be, if I say Bhavatyaha Putraha, you will say Bhavataha Putraha only. You understand?
Okay.
Bhavataha, Bhavatyaha Putraha. It means what?
Respected.
No, Bhavatyaha, just the, okay, respect only is there, it's fine. Bhavatyaha Putraha, what is the translation?
Bhavatyaha normally always come for female.
What is the translation? Bhavatyaha Putraha.
He is my son.
I'm asking just Bhavatyaha Putraha, simple. Where is he and all? Your son.
Yours.
Okay. Okay.
When I say your son, then you are asking Bhavataha Putraha only. Why is Bhavataha Putraha? What is the connection between the gender between the two words?
Okay.
We are not talking about the same person. Is
Okay.
Bhavataha and Putraha the same person?
Okay. Sorry.
No, we understand the question.
Yes.
Your question, you understand. First, you understand what you are asking. Then you will understand my answer. Bhavatyaha referring to you. Chandraha referring to your son. Why you want to say change Bhavatyaha to Bhavataha? Then what happens? The mother can never climb the sun because the sun is because Pullinga. Therefore, always it has to be with the father only. Is it like that?
Okay.
That's what you are saying. Yeshaha Bhavataha. Why? Because Chandra is Pullinga. So I put Bhavataha.
Okay.
Why doesn't the sun belong to mother also?
Okay.
That Bhavatyaha or Bhavataha referring to somebody and Chandra referring to somebody. The connection between them is what is shown in Shashti Vibhakti.
Oh.
Bhavataha is Shashti Vibhakti, Rupam of Bhavat Shabda, Pullinga Shabda. Bhavatyaha is Shashti Vibhakti form of Bhavati Shabda, Srilinga Shabda.
Oh.
The connection with whom it is connected, that linga can be anything. Similarly, with who is that the person is talking about that connection? That can be any linga. They need not be of the same linga. If that is the case, how can you say Mama Lekani?
Yes.
Mama Lekani, it's a problem then. Mama, then what is Mama? Mama is Trilinga, then how to say Mama? But thank God, but Mama is same for all the linga. That this problem they didn't come.
Okay. Okay. Guruji.
Understand?
Yes, 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 Guruji.
What I've been saying in the beginning, make sure that all of you clear these doubts. This doubts should not come later, but now it better it itself make it clarified.
Yes.
If in a sentence, if all the gender are same, you cannot have a sentence at all. If there is a rule that all the gender must be same, then you cannot make any sentence where the other gender are there. That's a problem, right?
Okay. Okay.
Even such sentences we have seen before. It's not something new. What about Bhavataha Palam? Nobody asked that question. Palam is Napumsakalinga. Why should Bhavataha is there? Should I change that it also to Napumsakalinga? Bhavataha is Pullinga. Shashti Bhakti Ekavachana. And Palam is Napumsakalinga. Why that doubt did not come there? Umaji. The same doubt should have come there also.
Yes, yes, Guruji.
Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And another thing, just don't wait for your sentence. Not only Umaji, I'm saying everybody. When other people are reading, follow the sentences. It is for the sake of the whole class they are reading. Okay. Follow each sentences. Don't
Okay.
focus only on your sentence. You
Okay.
answer it correctly or wrongly, that doesn't matter. If wrong is, if it's not correct, then I'm going to correct it. But understand each sentences. Yes.
Okay.
Umaji, read now.
Okay.
What is the meaning now?
एषः भवत्याः चन्द्रः.
Bhavatyaha Chandraha.
भवत्याः चन्द्रः.
What does it mean?
This is your Chandra. Chandran.
Chandra. This is your Chandra. That's all.
Yes.
Who is Chandra is not said. Whether it's Putra or husband, not been said there. Or what maybe. Or Mitra. Eshaha Bhavatyaha Chandraha. Eshaha Bhavatyaha Mitram Chandraha, I can say. Now, you see, Umaji, watch the sentence. Eshaha Bhavatyaha Mitram Chandraha. Bhavatyaha Bhavati Shabda Srilinga. Mitra is Napumsakalinga. And Chandra is what linga?
Pullinga.
All three lingas are there in the sentence. The sentence is correct or not? Valid or not?
Not valid.
Not valid, really? Huh?
No, it is valid.
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 Why it is not valid? Bhavatyaha Mitram, your friend, and your friend is Chandra. What did we read before? Mama Mitram.
Okay.
Here it is there. Tava Mitram, Mama Mitram.
Yes, yes.
Mama Vahanam.
Before.
Somebody read. Okay. Here
Mama Mitram Murali Krishnaha.
Mama Mitram is there. Mitram is Napumsakalinga. Murali Krishna is Pullinga. Is it
Yes,
not
yes.
valid?
Yes, yes, valid, valid. Correct.
Yes.
Yes, Guruji. एषः न भवत्याः चन्द्रः.
Bhavatyaha Chandra.
भवत्याः चन्द्रः.
Yeah.
किम् एषः भवत्याः चन्द्रः? आम्, एषः भवत्याः चन्द्रः.
Bhavatyaha you have to say. You have to make it till Dirgha.
भवत्याः चन्द्रः.
Yes. Next one. After Umaji.
Yes. एषा भवत्याः वीणा. एषा भवत्याः वीणा न. किम् एषा भवत्याः वीणा? आम्, एषा भवत्याः वीणा.
Baruji. Paruji, have to unmute your mic.
Sorry.
At that time, you keep your mic on. When you're supposed to read, that time you keep your mic.
Yes.
Hmm.
Tat bhavatyaah vahanam. Tat bhavatyaah vahanam na. Kim tat bhavatyaah vahanam.
Bhavatyaha Vahanam.
भवत्याः वाहनम् आम् तत् भवत्याः वाहनम्.
Yes. The next one, translate the following into Sanskritam. So each one of you can do one line. Oh, Anupama ji.
This is your friend.
Hmm.
Etat bhavataha mitram.
Yes. Bhavataha you can say with respect, otherwise.
Tava mitram.
Yes.
Etat tava mitram.
Tava. Bhavataha with respect, or it is. The answer is hidden. It is there.
Mhm.
Okay, then next one. Read, Anupama ji. One line you can read. Yes.
Lotus.
This is my lotus. Etat mama kamalam.
Yes.
That is Venus.
Etat it must be. It is wrong. Okay.
Yes.
Etat. Kama
Okay.
kama. That is Venus.
Venus, I don't know the name.
Venus is Shukra.
Shukra.
It's one of the planet.
That is Venus. Saha Shukraha.
Yes. Next one, Deepika ji.
Yes, Guruji. That is your wife. Tat. Sa.
Hmm.
Tava bharya.
Sa tava bharya. Yes. Patni, bharya, patni, whatever. Yes.
That is Parvati.
Hmm.
Sa Parvati.
Yes.
Asti. Acha. This is my computer.
Sanganaka computer is.
Iyam.
Why EM? Sanganaka is
Aham.
computer is Napumsakalinga only.
Napusaklinga. Yes. So tat
Hmm.
aham
Agam computer.
computer is sanga.
Agam computer. You are a computer.
Sorry. Tat mine.
Etat. Etat.
It's okay. Let us speak. Let us tell first.
Yes, that mama computer is a
Hmm. Sanganakam.
sanganakam. Yes.
You
That
can say idam mama sanganakam.
Yes. Guruji, idam.
Or etat mama sanganakam.
Right. Guruji.
Not that, not that, because that is not there here. Next person. Yajnapriya ji.
What is your book? Tat
Hmm.
Bhavat Tat Pustakam or Tat Bhavatyaha Pustakam.
Why Bhavatyaha? Okay, Srilinga, you
You
want to
are-
use, find your choice.
Your
Now, how do you approach a sentence, all of you? That is your book. What is the focus first in the sentence?
Bhavatyaha Pustakam.
That's okay. You can say Bhavatyaha or Bhavataha, your choice, because gender is not mentioned. Now listen, all of you, that how do you first translate? Book is there, that is it. First you have to see what is the subject in the sentence. That is your book. We're talking about the book.
Book is a subject.
Book is a subject. The word for book first you should come to your mind. Pustakam or Pustika. Pustakam asti. Right? The Kriya Padam also first, in fact, Kriya Padam. But we should not subject, we should know the subject first. That's what I said. Pustakam. Pustakam asti.
Hmm.
Now, Pustakam belongs to whom? Your.
You.
So Bhavataha Pustakam or Bhavatyaha Pustakam. Next you have to add Bhavataha to the word Pustakam.
Correct.
Bhavataha or Bhavatyaha. Then that is the referring to the Pustakam. Tat Pustakam. Tat Pustakam. Tat Bhavataha Pustakam or Bhavatyaha Pustakam. That is how you have to do the approach the sentence. Don't start that is there. Therefore, translation of the word that is tat. Then is there. Translation of the word is asti. Your is there. Don't do like that. It's not proper translation, and you will not get the word also. Understand the sentence and do the translation. The translation should do that mentally and quickly also. That is familiarity with the language. You cannot literally translate a vacuum from a language to another language. Not possible. Literal translation, if you do, then the meaning will be abattam, anartham. So the literal translation you cannot do. Understand what the sentence, who is the subject, what are the adjectives, and what is any Shashti Bhakti words are there, Sambandha, any other vibhaktis are there, karma, object, etc. First you have to understand, then you have to translate. The focus here in this sentence is simple sentence. This is pustakam. Pustakam asti. Tat pustakam asti. Tat kasya pustakam? Bhavatah pustakam or bhavatyaha pustakam. So bhavatyaha pustakam asti. Right? Yes. Continue.
Salutations. Namaskaram.
Namaskaraha. Namaste. Simple.
Namaste.
Namaha te. What is te? Te is you. Namaha te. Namaste. Next one.
This is your spectacle. Eshaha bhavatyaha upanetram.
Eshaha is what linga?
Eshaha pullinga.
Upanetram.
Upanetram napumsakalingam.
So Eshaha bhavatyaha upanetram. Is it correct?
Varata tappachi. Correct
You have to
only.
tell me.
Correct only. Ji.
Is it correct? What is Eshaha then? What linga is Eshaha? What does it refer to?
This
This. What is this?
Eshaha.
What is this? This refer to what? What is this? This referring to what? The sentence. I'm not asking a difficult question, okay?
Pullinga danaji.
Eshaha is pullinga, no doubt. I'm not questioning about the gender of the word Eshaha. What does the word Eshaha denotes in the sentence? What does it refer to?
Your spectacle.
Spectacle, right? What is the word spectacle? What is gender? கொஞ்சம் யோசிக்கணும். யோசிக்க மாட்டேன்றீங்களே.
இது உங்களுடைய கண்ணாடி.
அதெல்லாம் okay. That's all fine. But now you said, what is the gender of the word Upanetra?
Upanetra napumsakalinga தான ஜி. அதுதானே சார்.
Is it napumsakalinga? Then how can you say Eshaha? Still you are not getting.
Oh, understood.
இவ்வளவு நேரமா புரியுதுக்கா? We're talking about spectacle, and the gender of the word spectacle is napumsakalinga. How can you say Eshaha?
Right.
This is the word translation we have been doing so long for all these days, right? This is what I said just now. Don't start with the first letter of the first word of this language, the Vakya, and do the translation I said. What is the focus here in the sentence? What is it talked about in sentence main?
Understood.
What is it? I'm asking you to answer. What is it talked about in the sentence?
Spectacle.
Yes. What is the word for spectacle?
Upanetram.
Then this is there. This referring to spectacle. What should be the word for this then?
Then it should be etad.
Etad. That should come first. Etad upanetram. When you start with Eshaha, then how can the sentence only from the correct sentence?
Correct. Understood.
First, when you do the translation, upanetram asti. Etat upanetram asti. Etat tava upanetram asti. This is a serious. This is how we have to do. This is a very simple vakya. Okay.
Yes.
Just now I said from where you have to start. Next person, Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. This is Draupadi. Yesha
Draupadi. Ikaranta Shabda.
Okay. This is Draupadi. Yesha.
Draupadi or Draupadi?
Draupadi. Draupadi.
Yes. Not the.
Okay. Yesha Draupadi. See you again, son. Punar milamaha putraha. This is not your bangle. Etat na bhavatyaha kanganam.
You again, son, what is it you said?
Punar milamaha putraha.
Putraha.
Son. Son only.
So see you again. Who is telling? And son telling, or you are telling your son? See you again, son. Oh, son. See you again. That's what it means.
Okay.
Putraha, what vibhakti?
Putraha, Pullinga.
I'm asking what
Pratama.
vibhakti you are saying pullinga.
Pratama vibhakti.
But is a karta in the sentence? Is a object? Is a subject in the sentence? Son will see, or you will see the son later? Simple question.
Sambodhana, no?
Sambodhana. You are addressing son.
Oh.
He Rama, he Rama, he Ramaha.
Okay.
He Putra, Punar Milamaha. Not Putraha, always Putraha only, right?
Yes.
Putraha, if you say, Putraha must do something. Putraha asti.
Okay.
Punar Milamaha, yes, Milamaha is Punar Milamaha. Punar, in fact, here Punar Milavaha, it has to be. You are talking to your son. Let us meet, both of us meet again. See you again. Punar Milavaha.
Okay.
And son is Putraha when you say, then Putraha asti. That what does it? That is meaningless. Sambodhana, you are addressing the son. Hey Putra.
Okay. Hey Putra.
Punar Milavaha.
Okay.
Okay.
Punar Milamaha. Hey Putra. This is not your bangle. Etat na bhavatyaha kanganam. Kankanam.
Okay, next person. Anupama ji, who is it? Akanksha ji.
He is a doctor. Saha Vaidyaha
Yes.
asti. It is my necklace. Idam
Yes.
mama ma. Sorry.
Yes. Abharanam or Kantavaram.
Abharanam. Okay. Or I can say Yam mama mala.
Yes, necklace is not garland. Anyway, you can say it's okay. But understand, you understood the sentence. That's fine. Yes.
Yeah.
Abharanam is better. Or Kantabharaha.
Okay.
Yeshaha mama or Saha mama Kantabharaha or Yeshaha mama Kantabharaha. Kantabharaha, I think, necklace. Yes.
Okay. It is your sister, Sa Tava Bhagini.
Yes. I think you can stop here because the next class will start and meeting will end. We'll continue. Yeah, I sent you this already. Practice this sentences. Understand whatever we have seen clearly. Okay. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. It is Kantaharaha, not Baraha. Okay. It is Hara. Kantahara.
Then
Necklace.
Dhanyavadaha Guruji.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah, Guruji.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavadah.
Guruji.